Welcome to JH. Today, I'll show you how to expand your font collection in Google Docs. If you've ever felt limited by the standard choices, this guide will help you improve your document's appearance by adding new styles. Start by visiting Google Fonts, which is a massive library of free, licensed typefaces. Browse through the hundreds of available options until you find one that fits your needs. Click on your chosen font to see a detailed preview of its different weights and styles. Once you have made your selection, hit the Get Font button to begin. Google Fonts will provide a downloadable version. Just find the download icon for your specific font and click it to save the file to your PC. After the download finishes, find the file in your Downloads folder and open it with a double click to bring up the installation window. Simply install the font by either clicking the Install button or dragging it into the appropriate system folder. This makes the font available across your entire computer and various applications. Now, return to Google Docs and open the document you are working on. Look at the top toolbar and click on the Font menu. To find your new edition, select the More Fonts option at the top of the list. This opens a window showing all available Google Fonts. Use the search bar at the top of this window to type in the name of the font you just installed. It should appear in the results. If not, double-check that the installation was successful and the name is correct. Click on the font name to select it, which adds it to your active list. Finalize this by clicking OK at the bottom of the window. Your new font will now appear in your main drop-down menu, ready for use. Remember that the right typeface can significantly change the tone of your work, so feel free to experiment. A few quick tips: ensure the font is intended for web use rather than just print, and always check licensing for commercial projects. Choosing a font that matches your design will make your message much more impactful. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.